Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to make your video clearer on a CapCut application. So open your CapCut and let's start a new project. And now let's choose the video that we can or we use for the sources. For example, this one. Then just need to go click add. I would like to remove the music or the sounds first so that we can focus on this tutorial. And to make this video clearer, we just need to do a color shading. How to do a color shading? You just need to go click the clip, and after that you just need to focus on these button features. Slide the features into the left side until you found adjust this. Then you just need to click it, and after that you just need to adjust it just according to what you need. Or you can also jump into the video quality, and there will be two options here, which are remove freckles and reduce image noise. But then to use these two features you need to use CapCut Pro. If your CapCut is free, go in the adjust and just adjusting the light or the color. First, brightness. Make sure that you get enough brightness on the clip. If your clip have like brightness, so you just need to drag this part into the right side, making between 8 to 10, and today I will like to use 8. And go into the contrast, make sure that you get a perfect contrast, drag it into the right side from 5 to 6 I mean 5 to 10, so here I will like to use 9. And go into the exposure, and this exposure you just need to drag into the left side, make the exposure a little bit low, or reduce the exposure from -5 to -6. And after that, in a sharpen, you just need to drag this into 100%. And now you are done. This is the result. And if we go back, and this is the first mode, the original video, and this is the result whenever we adjusting the color. It got clearer compared to the first version. So that's the way how to make your video clear on a CapCut application. If you find this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.